So guys, this is how you play. This is how you play Kifo rhythmic. Kifo haina huruma. So this is how you play the rhythm for that song. Step 1, I want you to play the key of C. Step 1, play the key of C. Have that shape. You have that shape. All right. Step number 2. Step number 2. Step number 2. Take your first finger and play step number 2. Are we together? Step number 2. Take your first finger and play string 1 and 2, fret number 8. Take your first finger, play string 1 and 2, fret number 8. Take your third finger, or second finger if you like. Take your third finger, play fret number 10, string 2. Third finger, fret number 10, string 2. Third finger, fret number 10, string 2. Okay, string 2. Now, your first finger, play now string 1. First finger here, play string 1 on fret number 8. Third finger, play string 2, fret number 10. So you have these 2 notes. You have these 2 notes. Alright, that is step number 2. Step number 3, I want you to pluck those 2 notes all together. Only once. Just pluck them like that once. I want you to play fret number 8. First finger, fret number 8. I want you to play fret number 10, third finger. Fret number 10, third finger. I want you to play your second finger, place it on the third string, fret number 9. Second finger, fret number 9, third string. Okay? Release your third finger and enter the normal shape. This is what I want you to do. Are we together? You've gotten that one. You've gotten that rhythm. You've gotten that rhythm. Okay, that is what you hear they play. That's it. That's the rhythm now. Now that's it. Okay, that's it. All right. So this is the first step. That is our first step. Second step, I want you to play string 3 and string 2. First of all, play string 3 and string 2 all together. Sorry. String 3 and string 2. String 3 and 2. And then I'm a repeat. Have you gotten that one? So you have that one. Now our next step. After doing all that, now I want you to play string 3 and 2 again. This is just this progression. So you just play it. Sorry. Are we together? So you have up to there. Finish up by let me repeat it once more. This song is just as easy as it's easy like that. It's easy like that. That's why I have not done too much explanations. I just wanted you to see how I'm doing it. Okay, so you have and that is how you play Kifo Akina Huruma. Alright?